Hey, I just wanted to tell you about this new Luisladders uh, telescoping ladder with multi-telescopic extension, supposed to reach 12.46 inches. Yeah, it's 12 feet, 46 inches, and holds 330 pounds. Main reason I got is for storage and for hauling in the camper. Just doesn't take up a whole lot of space. But it is aluminum, and it's got the do's and don'ts. Tells a little bit about it. Also, it comes with a manual. Here's a strap, and then here's your handle to carry it. You can get this ladder in my description below. It's selling for about $149. I think it's 10 or 20% off right now. Meanwhile, let's take a quick dive into it.
It's just a matter of pushing two tabs at the bottom, putting your foot on the first stair, and it pretty much pulls up by itself hydraulically. These are your tabs. Green will show it's locked in position. Red will show it's not. Once locked, you're able to climb to whatever destination. Each stair has a tab, so you can adjust it to whatever length that you want. Really nice feature. All hydraulics. Here I have it at about 8 feet. So you can even use indoors. Here I'm pushing the tabs to release it. And folds up automatically. Once done, carry it away and you're done. Here I am cleaning the van with the ladder extended about 10 feet. If you noticed, I have orange foam to protect ladder and van. If you're wondering how I protected the ladder from the van from rubbing, I used foam pool noodles. Pretty easy thing to do, I'll show you here. Once done playing Conan the Barbarian, I took the measurements between the ladder steps and the foam and cut it to spec, matching the other one using a drywall saw. Then once sawed through, just a matter of peeling and sticking it on the ladder. Pretty simple and fits snug even when the ladder's wet. Didn't cost much at all, but $5. This ladder comes in 3 different lengths, 6, 8, and 12. Main reason I bought it was heavy duty, had good reviews, and it works great with water and I don't have to worry about it rusting. Hope you enjoyed the video and it helped out. We'll catch you in the next one.